the value of integral over closed surface r vector dot n vector ds over the closed surface S bounding a volume V, where r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is the position vector and n is normal to the surface S. Okay, so we need to calculate the value of this integral. Now this integral can be solved using Gauss divergence theorem. Let's see what is Gauss divergence theorem. The Gauss divergence theorem relates the flux of a vector field through a closed surface to the divergence of the vector field in the volume enclosed. And mathematically it can be written as integral on closed surface S f vector dot the normal vector dot product with the normal vector into ds. S is the surface, should be equal to, this is equal to the volume integral V on volume V divergence of f vector into dV, the elemental volume. So mathematically we can write the Gauss divergence theorem like this. Now in the problem we need to calculate the given problem r vector dot n cap into ds, okay, the elemental surface on the surface S. So using Gauss divergence theorem we can write this as volume integral over the volume V divergence of r vector into the elemental volume, so dV. R vector is given in the problem and that is r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now if we find the divergence of r vector, so we will write del dot r vector should be equal to dou by dou x partial derivative of x with respect to x plus partial derivative of y with respect to y plus partial derivative of z with respect to z. And this will be equal to, from here we can write the divergence of r vector will be equal to 3. Therefore we can write integral r vector dot n cap ds over the surface S will be equal to the volume integral divergence of r vector that we have found out to be 3 into elemental volume over the volume V. So this can be written as 3V. Now let's go back to the problem and match with the given options. So we can see here option C is the correct choice. For more information on Gauss divergence theorem, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 32, Gauss divergence theorem on Mathematics 1 by Professor S.K. Rai of the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at IIT Kanpur.